In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Truist Mobile Banking password. This guide is perfect if you found yourself locked out or simply want to ensure the security of your account by updating to a new password. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you can smoothly regain access to your digital banking world. First things first, let's make sure you have the Truist Mobile Banking app installed on your device. Open up the app by tapping on its icon. Once the app is open and ready, let's move on to resetting your password. You'll see a screen prompting you to log in. If you're having trouble remembering your details, no worries. Right underneath the login fields, there's an option that says Forgot User ID or Password. Tap on that and it will guide you to the recovery options. Once you're in the recovery area, you'll find an option that specifically says Reset Password. Tap on that to proceed. Don't worry, it won't immediately reset anything. It's just confirming that this is the path you want to follow. Next, you'll see a prompt, and all you need to do here is tap on OK to continue. This little confirmation lets the system know that you really do want to reset your password and aren't here by mistake. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose your account type. This choice can be between a personal or business account, depending on your specific needs and what your Truist account is set up for. Select the one that applies and then tap Continue. Now you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one linked to your Truist account because this keeps everything secure and ensures you're the rightful account holder. After entering your email, press on with the process. Following your email, you'll need to provide a bit more personal information for security verification. Specifically, enter the last 5 digits of your social security number or, if applicable, your EIN or ITIN. This step ensures it's really you making the change. Once you've entered those details, you'll need your user ID. Inputting these details correctly is crucial since it helps further verify your identity. After filling in the required information, you'll find a Continue button. Tap that, and you will be taken to the final step. You'll now arrive at a screen where you can enter your new password. Choose something secure but memorable. Perhaps a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters can enhance security. Once done, finalize the process by confirming the new password entry. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Truist Mobile Banking password. Make sure to keep this new password safe. Perhaps jot it down in a secure, private place, and remember to only use it on trusted devices. Thanks for following along, and feel free to come back to this video if you need any more password guidance.